Hi everyone, welcome to Talk Tech with Sonakshi. A lot of times you must have heard about customer engineers, solutions architect, sales engineers. Have you wondered what are these roles and what do these people exactly do? If yes, then continue watching. First, a little about myself. My name is Sonakshi Pandey and I have previously worked at Amazon as a solution architect and at Google as a customer engineer. I'm on a mission to empower you to succeed in your careers. I post a lot of content on navigating your tech careers and I also give a lot of tips on cracking your tech interviews. So ensure that you are following me. And now let's get right to it. Let me start by telling you what is a customer engineer, solution architect or a sales engineer role. So the first thing to keep in mind is all of these roles fall in the technical sales bucket. What this means is you not only need to be technical, but you also need to have sales acumen needed to sell the products. The technical aspect of this role requires you to be a subject matter expertise in a domain like cloud computing, SaaS applications, networking, security, and many more out there. The sales acumen of this role refers to you understanding your customer's business, who are the key stakeholders, how do they actually make money, and being able to effectively have conversations with key individuals like the CTO, CEO, and also being able to talk to the technical audience like software engineers, system engineers. Keep in mind that this is a customer facing role, right? So you will have a lot of meetings with your customers on a day-to-day basis. These meetings could be face-to-face or virtual based on your company. Also, one thing to keep in mind is AWS refers to this role as solutions architect, whereas Microsoft likes to call this role as cloud architect or cloud solutions architect. The same role is known as a customer engineer or a sales engineer at Google. So a lot of different companies use similar titles to refer to similar roles. With that, let's jump in the next module where I talk about what are the responsibilities associated to these roles. Number one is problem solving. You need to understand the problems that your customer is facing and you're responsible for designing a solution for that. Now this might include migrating existing applications, re-architecting existing applications, or designing native cloud applications. So basically, you start with understanding your customer's requirement, you create a migration architecture, you create a migration solution, and provide relevant documentation to help your customer. Number two, you get a chance to build demos and POCs for your customer. This was one of my favorite parts of being a solution architect. It of course depends on company to company, but a lot of times you will get a chance to write a small script here and there, write some code to get your solution to work so that you can do a demo or a POC for your customer. Also keep in mind that solution architects do not code as much as software engineers do. If I have to give you a timing percentage, I would say that solution architects just code 5 to 10% of their time. And also one big call out is coding is not a requirement for applying to a solution architect or a customer engineer role. So please don't let that discourage you. Responsibility number three, solution architects are responsible for delivering presentations to their customers. Being in a technical sales role, you're responsible for not only creating the technical architecture, but also giving presentations to help your customer understand how they can deploy the solution in their own environment. So if you're someone who enjoys teaching, you will definitely enjoy this aspect of the role. Number four is thought leadership. You get a chance to write a lot of blogs, create videos so that you not only impact one customer, but also help out multiple customers at the same time. This is an excellent way of improving your visibility, not only within your company, but also outside your company. This helps you not only build your brand, but also helps you build your portfolio. And responsibility number five is keeping up with the market. The tech world is continuously changing. The cloud providers are continuously adding new services and improving their existing services. So as a solution architect or a customer engineer, one of your job is to keep up with all the updates that are going on. Now this involves watching a lot of videos, reading a lot of documentations, taking certifications to ensure that your knowledge is up to date. Also, you need to keep an eye out on who are the key competitors for your company. I think that was it with respect to what are the responsibilities associated to these roles. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new out of it. If you did, then please like the video and follow me. I am also very active on Instagram where I post my day-to-day updates. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is Talk Tech with Sonakshi. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will get back to them as soon as I can. Thank you for watching and have a fabulous day.